This is Dave Martin with Alaskan Brewing Company. Today we're going to be making some beer battered halibut with our 35th anniversary Russian Imperial Stout. First things first, I'm just going to take some of this fresh halibut, cut it into small pieces, easy for the fryer. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 egg, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and about 12 ounces of our 35th anniversary ale. Whisk that up nice. Alright, next we're going to add a little bit of flour. You'll need about half a cup to a cup just to thicken the batter. Adding it slowly, a little bit at a time. Alright, so we're going to get the oil to 375 degrees, and then take your piece of halibut, dredge it in some flour, and then straight into your batter. So we'll go about 3 minutes on each side, and then we'll flip them. Alright, 6 minutes total, and they're ready to come out. And as soon as they're out, hit them with some salt. And that's 35th anniversary beer battered halibut.